Mildred Howard is really an artist who has shaped culture, a pioneering artist. When one is working with a living artist who's been so prolific throughout her career, who's done so many different things, how do you build an exhibition that really helps people understand who she is and what her cultural impact has been? Blackbird in a Red Sky, otherwise known as Fall of the Blood House, is an incredibly complex, layered, expansive, beautiful installation. It's never been on view in California. We wanted to bring it here to the Oakland Museum of California and restage it to be in conversation with works from Mildred's past and her present.
A lot of it is just preparing for the 10 weeks we have to install. The process for the glass house was receiving it from the Tacoma Museum of Glass. We had a team of 4 preparators and 2 registrars working on this glass house for 2 weeks. It started with the wooden frame, which is an ipe wood. Each piece of glass is 2 feet by 4 feet. Each piece was difficult in its own way, the way the mounts lined up. And they're all installed with these custom mounts that the artist had manufactured. So all of those were kind of a tight fit as well.
The house structure has been a constant, something that Mildred has included in her practice for decades and iterated on. Each time the house means something else, thinking about domesticity and from the outside and the difference between those things are some of the themes that she was playing on. Blackbird, in a lot of ways, comes out of her time at the Exploratorium, where she was really investigating the phenomenological, the science of seeing and light and perception. The Oakland Museum staff have a lot of pride in being the kind of institution that knows how to work with artists to realize their vision. All of us have really come together to make this exhibition possible and to work really closely with Mildred.